So I was sent this propane torch and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So let's see what you get in the box here. Got a little instruction panel here with some warning information about being safe with it, because it is a torch. And here's the device itself. Got a nice handle here. You've got a safety lock and unlock button here in red. So right now I'm locked, and now I'm unlocked. And when I'm locked and the trigger is pulled, the trigger gets blocked. So if I put it to the locked position, I can't pull the trigger in. Put it to unlock, trigger goes all the way in. So this trigger will be helpful because it does a burst of extra flame. And that's what it's for. It's just for bursting it out. To start the device, you're going to use this button on the back. This is the igniter here, and this is your flame adjustment. This is your valve that opens up your propane tank. So you're going to need one of these, portable propane tanks. I've got a couple of these laying around. They work pretty good. Other nice thing about them is when you've got it installed on the torch, it acts as a stand, so you can just stand it up and it'll hold it like that, so it doesn't lay on the side. Now, something to remember is this is a torch, and when you're using it, you're going to find that this whole end here is extremely hot. So you don't want to touch that. You don't even want to brush that by you, because it is going to get extremely hot. And anything in front of this thing is going to get burnt up. So you're going to want to be careful where you're shooting it, because it's a torch and it gets hot, and propane gets hot really fast. So let's show you how it works. I'm just going to turn the flame on here a little bit and push the igniter button. And immediately we got heat. And now with that, this is going to be able to be adjusted by the valve here on the top. You can go very low or much higher, and then depending on when you need it, you pull the trigger. Let's go back to unlocked. Pull the trigger, and you're going to get that extra burst of flame that comes screaming out of this thing. Let's give it a go here at this little fire pit that we've got. Just going to turn it to on a little bit, hit the igniter. As you can see, the thing does a great job. Get your fire started quick, and it's a lot of fun to use. So I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this propane hand torch. I hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.